Why are you looking back at me?
Are you going to let me get her food?
No. Why would I do that?
The door doesn't move.
Just climb in through the window. Did you not get in or something? Come on. Alright, fine. Are you in my seat?
I'm not moving.
Move over.
Why?
Just move, that's my seat.
No.
Fine. I guess I'll just move you. God, why are you so fat? I swear. So heavy. Get over.
Okay, okay.
I swear to God, you're so fat.
Yeah, whatever. Are we gonna watch a movie?
Yeah, if you want to go put it in.
It's not even my house.
Go find it then. So, why do you just come over with no makeup on?
I thought you liked my natural beauty.
I met you with makeup on. What would make you think that I ever wanted to see you without it? You after my money or something?
No.
Seriously? You come to my house, you take my food, you take my drinks, and you're saying that you're not after my money?
Yes.
Just get out. I'm tired of paying for all your stuff.